Good morning, traders. We are on 3rd December. Market is trying to break this high. Yes, we'll wait for this confirmation candle. Okay, market has given a breakout. Wait till 10:30. Take your position at 24,500. You can take your position at 24,500 and your stop loss would be 24,400. That is day's low. Today's day's low. Take your entry at 24,500. 24,500 would be your entry. Let's see on daily chart. We are on 5 minutes chart now. Let me go to daily chart. On daily chart, there is a strong resistance here. So market is trying to break out this high. Okay. Okay, take your entry at 24,500 or at the current market price 24,510 or 20. And your stop loss would be 100 points. 24,400 would be your stop loss. You're taking your entry at 24,500. Going back to 5 minutes time frame. Let me mark this. You're taking your entry at 24,500. And put your stop loss at 24,400. And enter your profit for 1:2 ratio. What's happening? Okay, this is 1:2 ratio. Okay, we are entering at 24,500 and it is 24,600, 700, 200 points. Keep your profits. And the stop loss would be 24,400. Okay, which is the day's low is your stop loss. Positional traders and swing traders can also take this trade. And for positional traders, the stop loss may vary. Second. Okay. And for positional traders, the stop loss would be this low, which is this red candle's low, which is 23,855. Yeah, 23,837 is the stop loss for the positional traders. Let's see what's going to happen. So traders, we are on a profit of 50 to 60 points. So now the time is 2:35. So there is a possibility of market to reverse. So since it's a closing time, so whatever the current market price, we have taken our buy entry at 24,500. So if it is 550 to 560, 24,550 to 24,560, at this point between 24,550 and 24,560, book your profits for 50 to 60 points and take your profits and you can exit the market. The intraday traders who are trading for a day trading, exit your position at 24,550 to 24,560 with 50 to 60 points. Book your profits and please come out of the market. And yes, we are book profit. We are with 50 points of profits. So you have been booked your profit with 50 points. With 50 points for one lot in Nifty Futures, you're taking your profit with 1,250 is the profit for today, 3rd December, and we are exiting our position by 2:35 p.m. So congratulations, whoever has taken your profits. Congrats.